Thank you. I'm not crazy. Like,
No, those are the roots.
don't do that to me.
Freaking out!
No, you can totally tell because these are all squiggly and these are straight.
Yeah. It's shining towards the sun, right?
Yeah.
I've worked so hard and only to be great down.
This jerk.
Yeah, right?
Ready.
Let's go to lunch.
So, if you press on your resume, then you can, if you already have something to print it out.
I have everything ready to show you.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind looking at everyone's newspapers, just so we're not foiled by that.
Hi.
Hi. Everybody gets so quiet.
Hey, what's up, dude? When'd you get here?
Hey, man.
What's up, man? We're gonna go to lunch. You coming?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try to get Ed. Ed, you wanna come to lunch? All right, we'll just save everything. He works on the Windows machine. Windows are for girls.
He's Alright, Ed, you stay here. Shift some paradigms. We'll be back. You weren't on camera, man.
Look at this train.
Jamie, you're on the back of the train.
I know. Well, at least that's cool.
Does that mean?
Go on lunch.
Gosh, what are you doing?
I'm not taking it for anybody. If I'm on the back of the train, I ain't getting it. I ain't taking it. I ain't taking it. Hey
Going
guys.
to lunch?
Yeah, you gonna come?
Yeah.
All right, meet you there.
We're doing a documentary on Jamie.
I don't know if I had to sum up my life in 5 words.
Kills me in the raw.
No, that's 3 words. I'd probably say,
That's 4 words.
if I had to say 5 words, it'd be every time I'll get back. I don't know. If I had to sum it up in 7 words, every time I go to
Sleep.
sleep, that's 6, and then I'd add the word cool at the end.
Pray the Lord
I'd add
our
the word
soul
cool.
to keep.
Yeah. Is that Metallica?
Something like that. It's actually a prayer. Hey guys. Wait, guys. Wait.
First time